Hi everyone, welcome to day 21 of our NLP Advent Calendar. We've been doing this together now for 3 weeks. So thank you for those of you that watch every day, also the people who comment and click like. I really appreciate that. It helps with the channel, it helps with the algorithm, no matter what social media platform you're watching it on. And it is also, the reason why I did it is that, Cialdini's second rule, I think it is commitment and consistency. And particularly when you make a public commitment, the need to be consistent with that is much higher than if you make it with one person or just to yourself. So that was my motivation for actually doing that. So thanks for being with me. I hope this has been of value for you. And, I was thinking, each day I think, what am I going to talk about? And I had an idea about today, but this morning I changed it because numerologically, 2025 is a 9 year. It's a year of completion. 2026 is a year of new starts. Yeah. Doing things new, doing things differently, new beginnings. And one of the things that I did in 1990, I decided that I didn't want to be employed anymore. I wanted to run my own business, run my own show. By 1991, 1992, I decided that I wanted to be a professional speaker, a professional trainer. And I was terrible at all of that. I'm not a natural born entrepreneur. I'm not a natural born salesperson. I am not a natural born speaker, presenter, and trainer. And, I had experiences of that because I went out there and, using the terminology in the speaking world here in the UK, died on my arse more than once. And I guess a lot of people would have gone, okay, I should go back to the corporate world. I should go back to IT. I should go back to marketing, etc. But there was this thing inside of me that went like, no, this is the thing to do. And really, this is what I have major gratitude for, if you like, for NLP and NLP modeling. Because NLP modeling enables you to model people who are naturals. Are they natural born performers? Yes. Are there natural born speakers? Yes. Are there natural born salespeople? Yes. Are there natural born entrepreneurs? Yes. What do you do if you're not one of those natural borns? And the answer for me, I'm not saying it's the answer for everybody else, is NLP modeling. It enabled me to model those naturals in all of those disciplines, all those skills, and then install them in myself. So I could create the kind of results that I wanted for myself and for other people. So what I'm going to talk about over the next couple of Advent calendars is exactly that. How do you do that? And I think that'll be a really great run-up to, I did that the wrong way around, a really great run-up to Christmas, as people are thinking about, okay, Christmas, New Year, now we're going into 2026. What's 2026 going to be about for me, and how am I going to do that? So please join me. I will be joining you. The Advent calendar technically finishes on the 24th. I will be joining you on the 25th with some Christmas presents, which is what we do here on December 25th. So I'll see you then.